My name is Anel Alcala. I am a virtual productivity assistant. I help business owners and entrepreneurs get organized and be more productive with their time. For me, it is extremely important to get to know the people behind the businesses. This way, I can help them find unique ways to free up as much time as possible so they can focus on their work and they can share their talents and their gifts with the world in a meaningful way. The Spin Ideas community is the perfect place to get to know people from different environments, from different backgrounds, who are all looking for the same thing, which is to follow their passion. And by following their passion, they can connect with people in a deeper and meaningful way, and they can do business with the heart.